Skybridge elevator at Bayfront Landing, but I think it's owned by the Courtyard Marriott at Erie Bayfront in Erie, Pennsylvania. It's an Otis HydroFit. It's like a service dog cab, a 2-speed door, hospital-sized cab. Two California vandal resistant buttons. Interior go up. It's MRL, all right. Hotel custom braille, not the Otis braille. We'll come back on one. That's the Otis braille though. And you found it's a basic hospital-sized cab. I thought it was not MRL the first time I was going, but it's actually MRL. That's the whoosh sound. Then I got one. Close enough to be